In this video, we are going to look at find and find index method. So similar to for each method, find also accepts a callback function. Let's use it. So I'll go ahead and add an example of find and then we'll explain it to you. So find is an array method. So we'll say numbers.find. Find accepts a callback function and that callback function needs to return true or false. So let's see. I want to find a value, so here I'll just write a function. So I'll call this function isTwelve. It will accept a number and it will return true if the number is 12. So I'll say num equal to 12. I will pass the function isTwelve as a callback function to find method. Let's see what it returns. So I'll call it find return is equal to, and here let's look at the value of find return. So here we can see the value of find return is 12. So find does exactly what it means, that is, it will look for the value. And how it looks for the value? Find will pass each element to isTwelve function, and only when it turns true, it will return that value. So it means inside numbers array, I am finding the value 12. If it is there, give me the value. Otherwise, don't give me anything. So let's see. If I make it 12,000, so will it return true or not? Let's see that. So if we look at find 12, it will return undefined. It means that when you were looking for this function, you are looking for the value 12,000 that is not present in this array. So whenever the value will be there in the array, it will return that value. Otherwise, it will return undefined. Important thing to notice is filter returns a collection, but find will always return only one value. Say for example, here if I check instead of triple equal to, if I say num greater than 5. So first value will be compared. 1 greater than 5, that is false. 4 greater than 5, false. 5 greater than 5, that is false. 6 greater than 5, that is true, and that is why we will get the value 6 as output. Let's check it out. And here we'll get the value 6. In terms of filter, what will happen? It will return all the value that is greater than 5. But in find, it will only give you one value at a time. And there is a very similar method also known as find index. Say, if you want to find the index of the first value that is greater than 5. So I'll name it find index return, save it, and call this function find index return, and the index is 3. So let's look at it. 0, 1, 2 and 3. What if we change it to 200? So which one is the first value that is greater than 200? That is index 10. Refresh it and look at find, and you can see it returns 10. So find returns the first value that matches the condition in the callback function, and find index returns the index of the first value that matches the condition here. Similar to for each map and filter, it also gets access to index and all of array. Let's just check it out. So we'll say console.log num index and array. And here you can see it is getting access to all of these values. If you don't need it, you don't have to accept it.